Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add PDF to your Google Docs. And first of all, you are going to send your PDF to your own email. And you're going to open the PDF here. Then you are going to select Open With, and you're going to select Google Docs. And it's going to add the PDF to your Google Docs, as you can see. But you do have to open it from your email first, and then later on you can add it to your Google Docs. And that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!